20H. Which of the following opening have cilia? Nephrostome is opening have cilia. MCQs number 29. The distal blend end of Malpighian tubes bath freely in hemocole. Option C is correct. MCQs number 30. The main nitrogenous waste form in body of the earthworm is in urea. Option B is correct. MCQs number 31. Proteinophilia are present in flatworms. Option B is correct. Flatworms. MCQs number 32. Nephrostome is earthworm open in internal body cavity. MCQs number 33. Which of the following excretory structure is associated with the gut of organism? Malpighian tubes. Option C is correct. MCQs number 34. Malpighian tubes absorb waste material and salt from hemolymph. Option D is correct. MCQs number 35. Which of the following is segmentally arranged excretory system? Metanephridium. Option B is correct. 36. In urea, two ammonium molecules combine with one carbon dioxide molecule to form one molecule of urea. Option B2 is correct. MCQs number 37. Excessive lactic acid is converted into glycogen by the liver. Option D is correct. MCQs number 38. Each human kidney receives 20% of total cardiac output. Option B is correct. Which of the following nephrons play important role in production of concentrated urine? Option C is correct. MCQs number 40. Which of the vascular channels are related to juxtamedullary nephrons only? Vasa recta is correct option. MCQs number 41. Which of the following filtrate contain an excessive amount of amino acid, glucose and salts? Option A is correct. Glomerular filtrate. MCQ number 42. Which of the following constituent is a maximum infiltrate that leaves proximal convoluted tubes? Nitrogenous waste. Option C is correct. MCQ number 43. Mammalian kidney under restricted water supply can conserve water by over 99.50% of reabsorption of glomerular filtrate. Option D is correct. On which of the following site the posterior pituitary hormones act predominantly? Collecting tubes. Option D is correct. MCQ number 45. Which of the following kidney stones are most common? Calcium oxalate. Option A is correct. MCQ number 46. A stone measuring 0.4 centimeter blocking the outlet of renal pelvis resulting in mild to moderate track obstruction. Which of the following technique will be opted to remove this stone? Option C. ESL is technique which used to remove this stone. MCQ number 47. Which of the following mechanism explain the development of anemia in renal failure. Failure of proper red blood cell synthesis due to the lack of chemical stimulation. Option D is correct. MCQ number 48. Which of the following treatment will be administered first in newly diagnosed renal failure patient? Hemodialysis. Option D is correct. 49. Formation of heat shock protein in plant result in option B. Embracing the enzymes and other proteins and prevent their denaturation. Option B is correct. MCQ number 50. Which adaptation is required by plant of collar areas to prevent lipid crystal formation in the cell membrane? Increase in proportion of unsaturated fatty acid is a correct option. 51. Animal that produce metabolic heat at a low level and also observe heat from surrounding are called heterothermous. Option C is correct. MCQ number 52. Fishes, the most invertebrates and amphibians are example of animals. Ectothermous. Option B is correct. Ectothermous. MCQ number 53. Bats and hummingbird belong to heterothermous. Option C is correct. MCQ number 54. Normal body temperature in mammals like human being is 36 to 38 centigrade. Option B is correct. MCQ number 55. Brown fat present in certain mammal is specialized in rapid heat production. Option C is correct. MCQ number 56. Blubber, a thick layer of fat, is present in marine mammals. Option C is correct. MCQ number 57. Panting is a representative of which mechanism? Evaporative cooling. Option C is correct. It's belong to evaporating cooling. 58. The thermostat of human body is present in hypothalamus. Option D is correct. 59. Production of pyrogene is phenomena. Protective. Option A. Protective phenomena. MCQ number 60. Name of the type of adaptation from following that is responsible for shivering thermogenesis. Behavioral. Option C is